Xbox.
Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the heatsink from a Dell Alienware 17 version R3. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove access door. Then disconnect battery cable. Now unscrew and remove solid-state drive. Now unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Then disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Now disconnect cables from motherboard. Then remove palmrest screws. Now separate and turn over palmrest. Now disconnect and remove palmrest. Next, remove rear hinge screws. Then disconnect cables from motherboard. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Then disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Then unscrew and remove heatsink. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.